Hey everyone, I am back with another haul video. So a couple of pieces just came today and they all came together, so I just wanted to record and show you what I got. I kind of do one of these every month just to show exactly what I'm buying throughout the month as a nail tech and as a press on shop owner. So first of all, I'm going to show you what I got from eNail Couture. Recently just put in my first order to eNail Couture and I got one of their scoops, and they did have a big sale on with, I think it was 40% off. So I went back in and I made another little order. And I got a top coat. And I got a gel and I got another packet of tips. So these tips that I have on right now, they are their oval tips, and I absolutely love them so much that I just really wanted to try their square tips because I was so impressed with these, the shape of them. I just love them. I love the thickness, I love the quality, I love everything about these tips. So I really wanted to try their square. So that's why my whole sole intention behind this order was really the tips. But Christine from Conjure Up Nails as well did say to me after my last video, she said, if you order the top coat, you'll love it. So then I was convinced I have to get this top coat. So I think this is the top coat here. I really should have a scissors when I'm doing this kind of stuff. And I'm going to do swatches as well of everything that I get. I always do swatches, well, I try my best to do swatches in hauls just so you can see the colours for yourselves. So hope you're all doing well. Are you getting up to anything exciting lately? Any fun plans? Okay, so this, first of all, the bottle is so cute. Like, look at that. That is a tall one. Like, the packaging is so cute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not sure if I will constantly order from this brand. When I ordered the scoop, it was more like a treat to myself. Because when your nail business is your business, you do clients or you do press-ons and things like that, you're ordering a lot of the time for, you know, re-upping on your supplies and stuff. So me ordering this scoop was nearly like just a little treat for me to get a little scoop and see what was in it, and I didn't regret it. I really loved everything that came in that scoop. So this is the top coat here, and it looks kind of, I would say it's not thick, it's not thin, probably medium. It doesn't look too watery to me, so yeah, hopefully it's gonna be nice, but I cannot wait to try it. And then I got this colour, so this is the ombre gel and it's colour BB53. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch this now, but first of all I'm just going to take out the tips that I got. Oh, and they did throw in a little file. They did throw in a file in the last order as well, so that is so nice. And the shipping was really quick actually. It was very quick. So I'm so glad that I was able to take advantage of that sale. Oh, just going to throw it onto the ground there. And I'm going to open these tips and show you what these tips look like in real time. So again, I was just so happy when these started coming in together, so I just decided to turn on the camera and show everyone what I get. Okay, so these just say square. They don't have a length on them, they just say square. But I have seen a lot of people use these, and I love Nails Slayed by Val. And I think she uses this shape a lot in her videos. She's a press-on artist. I'm sure you all know about her already, but I'm pretty sure she recommends this shape a lot. I'm just going to open the size 0. I'm just going to pop this over. There we go. So that's the length. I would say, is it similar to this? Hold on. Yeah, it's similar to the oval one. So I would say that is medium length. Maybe long. Maybe it's long actually. I'll have to compare it to my other press-on tips that I already have. But I do like the shape of these. These look really nice. There's the size 3, so that would be my middle usually. I know I have gel on this hand now, so it's not going to go on perfectly, but I do like the shape of them. Can't wait to make some press-ons on these. Okay, so that is everything that I ordered from Nail Couture. And like that now, these are his 1, 2, 3 Go soft gel nail extensions. So you can use them for the Gel X method as well. Or you can use them for press-ons. So I have been doing lately, I have been doing a monthly kind of a haul video. So it's really what I've bought in the last month, things like that. So I think I'll just continue to do that. I just will check in on a monthly basis with a variety of whatever I buy from different places. Okay, so I'm going to try this ombre gel now because I can't remember what colour it is at all. I think I just wanted to try another one of the gels from Nail Couture, and I didn't have... I have 1 or 2 gels from my scoop, the scoop that came from my first order, but I didn't have... This is an ombre gel, so I don't really know what it means by ombre gel, but it is a glitter. I think by ombre gel they kind of mean sheer, like it's not a full coverage cream gel. Okay, so this is nice. Bit of glitter in there. Okay, so we're gonna go for shade number 2, or coat number 2 I should say. So there's a little bit of glitter in this polish, kind of thick, kind of feels a little bit gritty when you're painting it on, but not too bad. You can smooth it out a little bit. It does remind me of one of Born Pretty's glitters. My honest review of the polish is, I don't know, do I love the polish? I don't know that, do I love the glitter that's encapsulated in that polish, because it doesn't really shine through that great. You can see it, but it's not, you can't see it like glitter, you know. But I do love the tips, absolutely love the tips. And hopefully the top coat will be good. I'm going to actually use it on this swatch here now. So I'm going to go in with my top coat. I can't get over the size of the bottle. It's so big. Okay, now that it's cured, I kind of like it more. I think when you're painting it on, it doesn't look like the most attractive glitter, and then when it comes out of the lamp, you can kind of see it a bit more, if that makes sense. Yeah, I think I like that better now. Okay, so in we go. Okay, so we're going to go on to the next brand. So I have recently been ordering from Clarissa, and I went in again and did another order. So I needed these 2 particular colours. So I needed a yellow and I needed a true electric blue. And I also went in and got some of their diamond top as well, because I have been using that on everything lately, on my clients, on everything. It is a universal top coat. It works perfectly over other colours and I really like it. It is very self-leveling. It is really shiny and I am really enjoying it. So I put in another order for that diamond top. Now you're going to hear everything just being thrown on the ground, but I will tidy it up after. Okay, so we know what the diamond top is like. We have, so Clarissa, so this is from the Milkshake collection and this is shake number 4. And I'm just going to swatch it now. I'm really intrigued to see the yellow, because the yellow is really hard to swatch, to paint on. It's really hard, it gets shading. So I'm kind of intrigued. Okay. Okay, so for a yellow, which is notoriously bad for shading, that is pretty good. On a clear swatch stick first go, I mean, that is as good as it's going to get really for a yellow. It is really impressed with that. Okay, I'm going to pop it in. And just while we're waiting, that's the Nail Couture gel out of the lamp with the top coat on. I think I did give it a bit of a bad rep when I was painting it on. Once you have it cured and once the top coat is on, it is gorgeous. So I might just take back my words I said a while ago. I do really like that. It's gorgeous. Okay, so we're going to go in with Shake 4 again, and we're going to do a second coat of this. I am hoping that this is going to go on when I'm using it on clients as well as it's going on this swatch stick, which I'm sure it will, because swatch sticks are harder to get full coverage on because they do have a obviously transparent background, but that is really good. Yeah. This is the Royal Electric Blue from Clarissa. I'm just going to go in with a first coat and see how it turns out. So here we go. Oh yeah, I like this one. That's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I love that. I absolutely love that colour. That is gorgeous. Now I'm just going to top them with the diamond top as well. Okay, we're going to go in for coat number 2. So I'm really liking these. I know I keep saying it, but I am really liking these because every single colour I've tested so far in Clarissa, so like the colour payoff is usually really good in one coat, and obviously we always do 2 for good measure, but it's kind of one coat coverage. A lot of them really are. Pastels are really great. When you look on the website as well, it's kind of really similar to, you know, what they swatch on the website ends up being the same, and that's the problem I've had before in other brands that I do like, but sometimes when you go and you see the swatches on the website and you order them, they're not the same colour, and that's really disheartening because I have ordered expensive gels before and they are not the same when you get them, and it's really annoying because you could be just ordering a blue that's just slightly off your other blues, but you just need that particular blue. You know what I mean? You know what I'm trying to say? I'm waffling on, but that is a thing. So these have been so good. So if they are in your area, I would recommend them. And also, I suppose, good to note, they do have a tacky layer. So if you wanted to rub in loose glitter or anything like that, they do have a tacky layer, which is good to know, I think. Okay guys, so those are the 3 colours right there. We have the BB gel, we have the milkshake number 4, and we have neon number 13. So I'm very happy with those. So next up we have these XXL tips from Amazon, and I ordered these in a pinch because I really needed XXL tips really quickly, and I had just ran out of a couple of sizes of my ones. So basically I put in an order for these. Now the sizes do seem normal. I was testing out the size 0 and the size 4 just against my fingers, just to have a little rough idea. And it is always good that they come in a box, so I'm sure I will have use for these, but I don't think I would order them again just by the first glance of them and things like that. However, they were very reasonably priced and they were the only decent XXL ones that I could see on Amazon. So I will leave the link in the description in case anyone is interested in these ones. It's always handy to have a big box like this as well, so worth it for the box too. Okay, so next up we have this packet of Ziploc bags. So these are purple Ziploc holographic bags from Amazon. They came in a packet of 100, and I'm going to use these for my press-on prep kits. So basically my glue, my cuticle pusher and my little file. I also do use them for little gifts. So if I'm giving a free gift to a customer, like some rings maybe or a little cuticle oil, I will use these for the same purpose also. And I just pulled one out of the packet there off camera just to show you up close and personal. This is what it looks like. This is a 6 by 10 centimeter measurement if you are interested, and 100 pieces was 7 something. I think it was between 7 and 8 euro, so really reasonable. That is very, very reasonable. And yeah, so thank you so much guys if you made it this far into the video, and I really appreciate all of you so much, and I love chatting with you in the comments about nail stuff and all that fun stuff. And if you are going shopping, happy shopping. I will leave you here and I will be back soon with a video. I have loads coming up, so I shall see you soon. Bye bye.